Hey everybody, Augie, Switchback Trading. Another setup presented. So we can see here, I got the measurement on this move down right now. Beautiful move. And textbook setup. Got above the EMA at the same time. I got above the 25% reversal level. TP1, TP2. Hit the 75. That's all you need right there. Whoop. That's all you need, that area, just that bite right there. And TP3 gets hit. So if you did have a runner, you know, you could have left for TP3. Quick scalp from the 70 up to the 77. So a 7-point scalp. Quick scalp. How many minutes? Yeah, 3.5 minutes, 7 points. 3.5 minutes, 7 points. I'll take that. Till the next one.